I want to talk to you now about the Morso Forno roasting capabilities. What I've got here is a piece of rump. It's the tag end of rump, and you'll see it's conical, and the reason for that is that some people like their beef rare and some people like it well done. And so if you have a piece of this shape, the thin end is going to be well done and the thick end is going to be rare. Now, I learned this recipe in Brazil, which I was lucky enough to live in for quite a long time, and they are the great meat-eating nation, and this is what they call a churrasco. This is a big piece of meat and it's absolutely perfect for a barbecue party. First thing I'm going to do is oil and salt it. Now, I've had people come up to me and watch me doing this and say, "You're crazy, you're ruining that meat." And I say, patience, patience, just watch and learn. So plenty of olive oil, turn it over, same the other side. Now, this is the trick. It looks as if you're going to eat mouthfuls of salt, but believe me, what goes on in that barbecue and what comes out at the end of it, you're going to find it hard to believe. Okay, you need to rub this well into the meat and into the fat and into the creases. Get it nicely coated with coarse salt. Once I've got this in, I'll leave it for a while, get it going, and then I'll keep bringing it out and I will be putting more oil and more salt on it. And this is going to form a wonderful crisp. What you do need is a decent skewer. You need to get that right through, running it parallel to the board without sticking it in your finger. The other thing is you need a nice bed of coals, because this is not going to cook quickly. And then in we go. You can see that that's taken off already. I'm quite happy to whip that off. Fire's a little bit hot, I shall let it go down a bit. Just let that die down. It's already browning nicely. Okay, the Brazilian beef is cooked. Here it is. I've taken it in and out a few times, salted it, oiled it. Yeah, this charring that looks as if it's burned, it's not burned. It's the mixture of the oil and salt which forms a really tasty crust. So I'm going to pull the skewer out. Now it's time to carve a piece of Brazilian barbecued beef. And here we go. This end, really well done. We're getting into some rare beef.